Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and add an assignment and modify, but actually add the student video that goes with the particular lesson that we're going to be doing. And I'll just model it for the very first one, 1.1. So go to Manage Classes. I already have mine here, Mrs. Kelly's class for 2020 to 2021. And you can add an activity. Go to Browse, fourth grade math, obviously, program structure, unit 1, module 1, lesson 1, and go to core instruction. And what I think we could try this year is just to assign the student ISE student view so the students can go through the Go Math video on their own, as well as us. Obviously, we could do it during our Zoom as well. So we can call that 1.1 student view video and select the class. Mine is Mrs. Kelly's class for 2020-2021. Okay, so I already have my class populated. The students in the assignment, it looks like you're going to have to make sure that they are all added. So just add everybody from your class. And the available date should be, it's good, we're going to start for week 1.2, so the 24th. And we can just make the due date be, I'm just going to make it Friday, even though it's going to be due earlier, the actual assignment, but just for them to look at the video, we can save it. Yes, I'm going to save my changes. And you'll see it right here. And we want to go ahead and add another activity. This time we're going to be assigning the actual homework. Oops. I'm all over the place. Okay, so add an activity. That's skipped a step. Lesson 1, core instruction, and you want to make sure that you're adding the place value and patterns homework. And when you do that, you want to make sure to modify it, because you don't have to have them do the actual problems that were covered in the student video. They don't really have to see that again. So if you preview, you can see all the problems, and you can go through each of them. And the one that we definitely want to take out is that Robin problem, because that was covered in the personal math trainer part, the first part. And here we go. This was a very similar problem as well. So we can remove that question and scroll down. Or actually, I think it might be up here. Let me move this up so you can see. There's definitely a learning curve toward all this video stuff, sorry. Okay, there's the assignment preview. Let me see if I can exit out, and hopefully it'll prompt me to save it. Okay, good. So I'm going to check to see if it actually did save. Okay. I'm going to preview it again. I'm sorry if I'm sounding redundant. I'm just trying to be as helpful as I can. Okay, it did save. So it doesn't actually make you save the changes, it just automatically saves it. So now that you remove the question, it looks like we'll be good to go for saving the assignment. And what I like to do is I like to go back and just check to see here how many actual problems there are. And there looks like there's 11. So I don't know if that would be too many problems to complete in 20 minutes, but we could just give it a go that first week and see if it's too many. I don't think it's asking for too much if we keep that afternoon open for completing the math as well. So I'm hoping that this kind of helps you guys, because what we're going to be doing is simply just adding that student video for the assignments for math, modifying the homework. And so when they get to my assignments and things to do, they're going to see those things that they have to complete and do. Thanks.